Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Publications. Hello children. Today we'll begin with our chapter that is chapter number 10, Means of Communication. Now what is communication? Communication का मतलब होता है एक दूसरे से संवाद करना, means बातचीत करना. And there are various means of communications like telephone, television, newspaper, they all are means of communication. But today in modern life, we have introduced certain other devices as a means of communications, and today in this chapter we are going to study the same. So let's begin with the chapter. The importance of quick and effective communication has increased in today's increasingly globalized world. इट मीन्स कि आज के समय में हमने जो है अपने कम्युनिकेशन को इफ़ेक्टिव और क्विक बनाने के लिए मॉडर्नाइज किया है और उसकी जो पावर है वो इंक्रीज़ हो गई है. Some of the industries that heavily rely on communication include, now they are telling you about some of the industries which actually totally depend on the communication. They include business, finance, administration, education, entertainment, etc. Here are some modern communication devices and equipment given below in the pictures. You have to look at the pictures and try to identify them. So let's now begin with the exercise portion. Let us observe these pictures and then write the answers for the same. So what is the answer for the picture first? That is laptop. The first picture is of a laptop. I am sure you all must be having one laptop at your home, definitely. Then the second picture is of a mobile. Then we go to the third picture and this is a picture of a walkie-talkie. Then the fourth picture over here is of webcams. There are 3 webcams kept over here. Let's now move to the other pictures. So the next picture, that is the fifth picture, is of a fax machine. This machine is used to send fax, or that is, you can also say it is used to send messages, etc. Then the sixth picture is of a desktop computer. Now this is also a very important means of communication in nowadays. The last picture is of a camcorder. Now what is a camcorder? A camcorder is basically a camera which actually records what is happening in front of him. Now let's read the quick fact. The quick fact says that Alexander Graham Bell, he was a Scottish born scientist and an engineer, and he is credited with the invention and the patenting of the first practical telephone. So who was the inventor of telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Now as you know that all the answers were already present in the help desk, so you can match those answers once again and you should learn the answers from the help desk as well along with the spellings. So this was all about the communication chapter. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.